Imagine this. It's 10 years from now. You wake up in a house you hate, with a job that drains you and bills you can barely afford. You wonder, how did I get here? Now rewind. The answer is simple. The choices you're making today. Your future self is watching, and they either want to shake your hand or shake you awake. Here's the scary part. Time is a silent decision maker. Every dollar wasted, every opportunity ignored, every "I'll start tomorrow" adds up. Think about it. Have you ever looked at an old photo and thought, wow, I had so much time back then? Newsflash. In 5 years, you'll be thinking the same thing about today. Now let's be real. We all have that voice in our head saying, it's fine, I'll figure it out later. But later has a funny way of turning into never. And before you know it, you're watching someone else live the life you wanted. So what do? You wake up. Now the difference between your future self struggling and thriving. Small, consistent decisions today. You don't need to be a millionaire overnight, but you do need to start stacking wins. Every dollar you invest today is your future self's safety net. Every skill you build now is another door opening for you later. Think of wealth like a snowball. The earlier you start rolling it, the bigger it gets. The later you wait, well, let's just say you don't want to be the 45-year-old Googling how to retire in 5 years like it's some kind of cheat code. And here's a trick successful people use. Before making a decision, ask, will future me thank me for this or curse me? Now picture this. It's 5 years later. You're sitting in a home you love, doing work that excites you, checking an investment portfolio that actually makes you smile. You're not just surviving, you're winning. And guess what? It wasn't some magical stroke of luck. It was the small choices you started making today. Because here's the truth. Your future self isn't some stranger. They are you, and they're watching, waiting for you to make the right moves. The question is, are you listening? Here's your challenge. Pick one thing today that your future self will thank you for. Just one. Invest $10. Read for 15 minutes. Start that side hustle. Small action, big impact. Because whether you move forward or stay stuck, your future is coming either way. Make sure it's one you're proud of.